So we start off today's video with someone who has a bob haircut. The stylist has the clippers and takes the hair much shorter. He cuts the top of the hair and bam, beautiful choppy style pixie. This is absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some amazing hair transformations. Loving this brilliant blonde bob haircut style. Color really just adds to the cut overall. So gorgeous. And then we see a long to short transformation into another beautiful shoulder length lob haircut. Very chic and effortless style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a curly hair makeover. The stylist is putting in some bangs. And if you do have curly hair and you're looking for some hairstyle ideas, the curly shag is a great one to check out. And that is exactly what he's doing with this particular look. Wow, she looks incredible. So then we move on to someone who has long hair. Into this beautiful shoulder length bob. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with the shoulder length hair yet again. And it looks like she is also going to be getting a bob. So she ended up getting like a fresh pixie bob variation, very popular hair trend. And then we see the stylist doing another pixie bob. Gorgeous. Love the texture and body that this haircut has. And then we see a pixie featuring a really pretty color variation of yellow, pink, and black. Nice design going there on the back and through the side. Followed by someone who has this really pretty wine hair color. And this is another very popular curly haircut trend that the stylist or barber is going to be giving her. And it is the curly tapered cut or curly pixie cut, as some like to call it. And what really makes this look for me is definitely her hair color. He does put in a design here as well. Really nice, edgy, modern style. So then we move on to someone who has an afro. The stylist big chops the hair. Into a cute little pixie haircut. Very nice baby bangs in the front for this particular cut. So let us know in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video was your favorite. Always curious to know. If you guys have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.